And now new at 10, new insight on a Hawaii gun law that's under review by the nation's high court. The justices will decide if it violates the right to carry weapons in public for self-defense. Our Ben Gutierrez has both sides.
Guns are not allowed at this business. It has that right as a private property. However, the Supreme Court has decided to hear a case that could change this for many other areas around Hawaii. The 2023 state law in question bans concealed weapons in so-called sensitive public places, including public buildings, schools, and child care facilities. But it also banned them in public parks and beaches and public transit.
The state can't make everywhere a sensitive place, like beaches, parks. You can't go hiking in some places and not be able to defend yourself against somebody that you run into.
Hawaii attorney Kevin O'Grady is an attorney for one of the plaintiffs in the case that's now going to the high court. He's hoping the justices strike down the state law, which requires businesses to post signs or give verbal permission if they allow guns.
A private property owner could always say, I'm not going to allow you to do that here, you're not welcome here. The state of Hawaii reversed that and made it so that nobody was able to carry anywhere unless they had explicit permission from the property owner.
Again, it's just very disappointing to me that the Supreme Court would even attempt to overturn the will of the people and the people that we elect to represent us.
Erica Yamauchi of the group Moms Demand Action supports Hawaii's strict gun laws.
While we, continue to have, pretty low gun violence rates overall, compared to other states, that's really only due to sound historic, public policy that we've had.
Most of our gun owners are responsible and they don't do stupid things with their guns. But the second part is that we have good gun laws, and we've had good gun laws for a long time.
The state attorney general, which is the defendant in the case, said in a statement that Hawaii has a long history of reasonable gun regulation because of serious public safety concerns with gun violence. It says Hawaii looks forward to the high court's consideration. O'Grady is optimistic the justices will rule in favor of gun rights advocates.
And I think that what we're going to get from the U.S. Supreme Court is much clearer guidance on how you can make it so that people have the general right to carry to protect themselves.
No date has been set on when the Supreme Court will hear the case, but it could come early next year. Ben Gutierrez, Hawaii News Now.